Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off picture gallery trash to keep deleted photos and videos for 30 days on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen or in the app screen, open up the gallery app. Next, at the bottom here, tap on the menu key. Then from the pop-up, tap on settings. In the gallery settings, you want to scroll down and then tap on trash. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Now when you are switching it off, it says all the images and videos in the trash will be deleted. Tap on the turn off to switch it off. Otherwise, you can switch it on. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.